What's going on, guys? It's Connor here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to build a Lego top, kind of like this one. So first what you'll need one of these circle pieces. It's got the hole in the middle, looks like that. You're going to need 9 little studs, one of these cylinder studs. Then you're going to need like either one of these or one of these, something kind of like that. And now to the building process. First, you're going to take this, you're going to take the 9 studs and put them on like this. Put them all on the edges like that. For this, you should use 8 studs, and then there will be one more stud for a thing we are doing later. Okay, that's the first step. You put studs like that on the wheel. Make sure to put it on the underside, not this side. And then you need to take the cylinder stud and this one stud that you left, put those two together like so, and then what you're going to do, you're going to want to put that in there. Then you're going to put this through, make sure it clicks, and then you have a Lego top. You can spin it this way, you can spin it this way, kind of. Yeah. Kind of looks like a UFO. And sometimes when you spin it like that, or too hard, this will fall off. Just make sure it's nice and tight on there. And then you can build that. Then another way to build a top, you kind of use the same pattern, but you only use 8 studs for this one. You put them on the edges, leave those 4 squares open. Then you get another cylinder block and one of these little pieces. Put it on there. And then put it through this side. And this one doesn't work as well because it's a smaller piece. What you could do, you could put it like this and then put the little Lego cylinder on the bottom. It'll give you an easier way of spinning, but it doesn't go as fast and it's a little bit more harder to spin, but it still works. And as you can see, when all these studs are put together, it makes a rainbow of colors when you spin it. Mostly, if you use all of these colors, it mostly produces, when you spin it, a orange gold kinda. Yeah, like an orange gold kind of color. And then when you spin this one with these type of colored studs, it makes kind of a teal orange color, if you can see it. Hold on. You might not be able to see it, but it makes like a teal mixed with orange color, and it makes it look pretty cool. Another thing that you could do This might not work. Yeah, that's not gonna work. But you can maybe you can just like switch these things out with the other tops. If I can get this one out. There we go. And I could put this through here and put that on like so. It's basically the same as the other one, just a different color, and it's upside down. And then you can put this one in with this one, and it would be upside down too, but it would have a better chance of spinning. So you could just take these off the bottom, put them all around this on top, and or you can make like little UFOs. You just put one through there, and then you kind of they look like little hockey pucks with legs. But yeah, so that is how you make a Lego top. I just used Legos that I got from sets and tons of other stuff. I have a giant box of them, a giant tote of Legos. I build tons of stuff. Might be reviewing some of my Lego builds, but I will give you a little sneak peek of one of my Lego builds. Which one should we do? Let's do this one. These are the Ninjago Lego Movie sets. We got Lloyd's car. When you press this down, as you can see, those guns go up, and then you spin these wheels. Then you spin these little wheels right here, and they shoot. This one was pretty hard to make. It was pretty complicated. As you can see, it's shooting studs everywhere. But that's a little sneak peek of the Lego review video I'm going to do. Let's go put this back. I keep all my giant Lego builds back here on a shelf. And that's what I'm going to be filming here later today. So, I'll see you guys later. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. I hope this tutorial helped you out.